course.
Oh, I assume you're Australian.
Yes, he is. Yeah,
Because
100%
we
right.
are the foreigner here.
Yes, of course, definitely.
Yeah,
You're
so,
right. So what do you want to ask him?
You.
Yes.
Bye. See
Wow.
you.
Bobo, you're so stupid.
Bye.
What's your name, sir?
Oh.
Hi, Sir Paul. Nice meeting you.
Hello, Mike.
Hi, I'm yours.
You know that she's a fairy?
Fairy. No, I'm a fairy tale.
Yeah,
I'm
fairy.
not a transgender. I'm not a homosexual. I'm a fairy tale because I'm a fairy with a tail. Okay? Yeah. Like yours, you know? But my tail is bigger than yours. Okay?
My God, Donita, ang ganda-ganda mo.
Wow, ba't
How
kinakayaw
about
mo?
my tail? Do you wanna see my tail? If you wanna see this, you see to your ancestral.
No, this meeting you, sir, and I suppose your wife? You're pretty, madam.
Yeah.
You look like a real Filipina beauty. Yung
Yeah.
morena, nasakto yung maputi. Mas maganda, walang makeup, pero maganda.
Yes.
Usually, ganun na magaganda, di ba?
How do you find Filipina? How?
How do you find? Do you find that?
I did not find her. Or
No, how do you find?
Did you find her?
Yeah. Very lovely people.
Yeah, lovely.
And you're already married?
Are you, what are you?
Ano ba tayo? Kasal na sila.
Did you, yeah. Did you united the United Nations?
Ano yun?
United na sila.
Of course. Sabi niya, of course. Sabi niya.
United.
Pero swerte siya, no?
Yes.
You're so lucky, right, Tekla?
Because you're married a Filipina.
Yeah.
Because you know, I say, Filipina is very hospitable.
Exactly. Perfect.
Once you have sex with them, you go straight to the hospital.
Yeah, because you want to make baby. Yeah. She's pregnant, you know? You have kids? 3 kids.
Uh-oh.
All yours?